Ripple faces continued uncertainty in legal battle with SEC. New uncertainty has arisen due to recent developments in the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC. The cryptocurrency community's patience was tested, and hopes were dashed when scheduled meetings were canceled. This marks the sixth postponement since April 2022, highlighting the slow progress in the Ripple case and the regulatory proceedings. The industry's frustration has grown due to the consistent cancellation of meetings, leading to increased rumors and speculation. A crucial meeting between Ripple and the SEC was canceled, causing significant disappointment within the industry. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse criticized these delays and the SEC's regulatory approach. The SEC's repeated cancellations highlight the regulatory ambiguity in the Bitcoin market. XRP's resilience reflects the industry's strength and potential, but market instability and uncertainty necessitate caution about potential price declines if regulatory pressures increase. Despite the ongoing legal battle and meeting cancellations, XRP's performance demonstrates the cryptocurrency sector's resilience. However, the constantly changing market and uncertain regulatory environment underscore the need for cautious optimism. New uncertainty in the Ripple vs. SEC legal battle emerged from canceling planned meetings. This is the sixth postponement since April 2022, frustrating the cryptocurrency industry and drawing attention to the prolonged legal process. These cancellations have fueled speculation and rumors. Despite disappointment over the canceled Ripple SEC conference, which was expected to be crucial, Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse has openly criticized the SEC's regulatory methods. This uncertainty has persisted for nearly 4 years, significantly impacting investors, who universally agree that a resolution is urgently needed. Frequent SEC meeting cancellations highlight regulatory concerns in the Bitcoin sector. Despite XRP's success in showing the market's fundamental soundness, significant price drops remain possible, especially if regulatory constraints tighten. Judge Annalisa Torres will determine the financial penalties Ripple must pay for violating U.S. securities laws. In July 2023, Judge Torres ruled that Ripple's institutional XRP sales violated U.S. securities regulations. A settlement between Ripple and the SEC remains uncertain, and a court judgment is expected soon. Former SEC attorney Mark Fagel expressed skepticism about settlement talks, noting that the parties involved have held nearly 150 sessions since the case began. Crypto Twitter speculated that each meeting might lead to a settlement, but none materialized. If the case settles, the SEC would lose the right to appeal any decisions. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alder, confirmed on July 12 that the SEC will not contest the ruling that XRP is not a security. On July 13, 2023, Judge Torres determined that XRP programmatic sales do not meet the third element of the Howey test. However, if the SEC is influenced by the California case outcome to appeal the programmatic sales verdict, the case might proceed under California law, as Judge Phyllis J. Hamilton ruled in June 2024. Judge Torres' decision in the high-stakes Ripple vs. SEC case is eagerly awaited by the cryptocurrency world. Without a final decision in July, attention shifts to early August for a ruling that could impact the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Ripple and the SEC appear to be approaching a historic event. Speculation abounds over Ripple Labs' involvement in the SEC's choice to hold another private meeting, with a recent photo circulating on X suggesting such a meeting. The SEC has convened multiple secret sessions, one postponed from July 18th and another on July 25th, which did not yield significant changes. The cryptocurrency world remains interested in speculating due to these meetings, now publicly available on the SEC website. After much deliberation, experts believe the case has weakened the SEC's position, but neither side is backing down from a prolonged court battle that could involve appeals. As Judge Torres considers the final ruling, Ripple navigates complex legal issues surrounding its on-demand liquidity service, a primary income source. The outcome could significantly affect both the company's operations and the cryptocurrency market. Meanwhile, the SEC faces growing opposition to appeal the decision, potentially complicating the legal battle and impacting its stance in other cryptocurrency cases. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has criticized the situation and advocated for clear, consistent Bitcoin regulations. The legitimacy of the circulated photo remains unconfirmed, though it has sparked much discussion. While settlement talks have occurred, there's no guarantee a deal will be struck, as both sides are determined to defend their positions. The case's outcome will have far-reaching consequences for Ripple's business model and the cryptocurrency industry. XRP investors closely watch the lawsuit, hoping for a resolution or significant changes this week. This week's Ripple and XRP litigation involves the following developments. Attorney Fred Rispoli, a cryptocurrency advocate, predicted the case would conclude by July 31st. Given the allegations that Ripple violated securities laws, the judge is expected to rule on potential fines or settlements for the company. Do not base any investments on the data presented here. Conduct your research and consult a financial expert before making any commitments.